Hey guys, this is Cool Japan and I'm here with another little Armory gun. And this one is the M4A1 type gun. It's the Little Armory #1. I think this is the first one that ever got released. Looks pretty awesome. It has the scope, this thing, the stock, some kind of grip, 30-round magazine, and this night vision goggles. Looks pretty awesome. Let's look at the parts. Again, you've got tiny little parts, but they look really nicely detailed. These are the night vision goggles. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, let's put it together. And here is the finished product. It looks awesome. Look at that. This one was a little bit harder to make just because there's so many tiny pieces. Like this one right here, and this tactical light was pretty hard to put on. And this sight right here, that's a tiny piece of plastic. But the end result is it looks fantastic. And it comes with the full clip with the bullet inside, and also these night vision goggles. So the detail on all of this stuff is just spot on. I mean, it looks perfect. You can take out the clip, and that's basically it. I mean, you have the option of not putting on the scope and not putting on this light, and also not putting on the grip, but I think it looks pretty cool with everything on it. Alright, so let's see what it looks like on a figure. Alright, and here is what it looks like on some Figma figures. This is a Figma Strike Witches figure, and this one's not a Figma. It's an Armor Girls Project figure. They're both Strike Witches though, and as you can see, it fits perfectly on their scale. I don't have any Marvel Legends figures, so I don't know what it looks like on them. I guess they're a little bit small probably for Marvel Legends, but they work perfectly for Figmas. And yeah, looks pretty cool. I put on these effects that I made myself, but you could take them off. Just stuck them on with blue tack. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.